Hey gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. Parcel time. So yeah, there it goes. You'll know where this came from. Check it out in the link below. There's all sorts of goodies in here, which I'm going to be explaining, unveiling, using in my upcoming videos. So yeah, anything we pull out here, smash on that bell and be sure to be notified of when it appears on your to watch list. So we'll start with, they're both the same, we'll need one of those. Drone bag. So if you got some quads that are floating around in their box, you need to put them somewhere when you're transporting them. You don't want to get them damaged, etc. This little beauty is going to do the job really well. Again, I will be reviewing all these in great detail coming up very soon, so I'm just going to flick through the contents of my parcel. Okay, so in here we have got a DJI portable anti-shake zoom lens. So this goes straight onto the Osmo action here. Screw the old one off and screw the new one on, so you can get up nice and close without any distortion, so it'll be good to test. In here we have a 5.8G real ACC mini lollipop. Yep, this is going to come in very handy, the real ACC 5.8 gig FPV little lollipop antenna. This is the MMCX 90 degree. As I said, 5.8 gig at 1.6 dBi. So where does this plug into? Straight into the back end of the Baby Hawk R Pro, little 4-inch here. So the range for this antenna isn't actually all that good. Apparently this is a neat little fix for it. So we're going to stick him in, do some testing, and we're going to see if our VTX is improved with this little lollipop. So that's going to be good fun to do. Next we have a bag full of bags. In these bags we have boxes, and in these boxes we have very good, some motors and some motor frame holding screws. So 4 of these, and if you think now they look familiar, well they are. These are actually the EX1103 8000 kV motors, designed specifically for the Happymodel Sailfly X. So I don't know if you guys know, this comes stock standard with the 1102s, 8500s. Yeah, the 1103s, a little bit more kick, a little bit more punch. And luckily for me, I have some spare controller, I have a spare frame, spare hood, spare props, spare screws, bits and pieces, spare camera. So I'm going to do myself a build up, and yeah, I'm going to build up a slightly more powerful Sailfly X. And again, as mentioned before, link down below where all of these goodies have come from and what they are and what they fit. If you said to yourself, that looks like a attachment for the camera mount protector for the front of the camera there, it slots down in there, not entirely sure how yet, however rest assured that's going to be coming up, so I'll show you how you put this on. And it just gives the camera here some protection for those front end crashes. So there you have it gang, a lot to keep me busy, a lot coming up. Should you be interested in these items, yeah, stick around, smash on that bell, they're coming up very very soon. In the meantime,
put a drone in this box. I think it fits perfectly. Good stuff.